Hi guys, Rhazel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be showing you guys my bags and accessories from Teddy Blake. I will also share with you guys my thoughts about each item that I have from the brand. The video will show you a clip of me trying on the bags as well, so you have an idea on how it looks on me. Just for reference, I am 4'11", no, not 11, 4'10", I wish. 4'10", and I am very petite. So I'll show you guys how the bags will look on me, and I'll show you the details of the items as well. Sorry for the hair tie. I also have a $20 off discount code for you guys. It's this code right here. If you want to order from Teddy Blake and you want to save $20 off your order, please use the code. So I'm gonna start with the biggest bag that I have from Teddy Blake. So I have the Alice VITELLO Media. This is their tote bag. It is a big bag, as you guys can see, but once you wear it, it actually doesn't look like very overpowering, especially on me. I got this because I want this to be my travel bag. I actually have a what's in my hand carry video. If you guys want to check it out, I will leave the link in the description box. The good thing about this is you can fit a lot of things in here, you guys. It is a very open bag, like literally an open bag. It doesn't have any zipper or any closure to it, so it's an open bag. It is a good hand carry bag when you're planning to just put your bag under the seat in front of you. If you want to put the bag in the overhead, I'm not sure because it's very open. It comes with a pouch as well, which looks like this, that is connected to the bag. So it has this leather like string here. So when I use this bag when I was traveling, I put the important stuff here, stuff that I don't want to get lost in this massive bag. The hardware is gold, as you guys can see. It's not like full-on gold. It's kind of a very nice light gold, which I like. So as you guys can see, the Teddy Blake stamp is on there, Teddy Blake, New York. This is gonna be a really good nappy bag as well if you guys are looking for a nappy bag. Okay, so the next bag is actually my newest bag from Teddy Blake. This is like a reveal na din for this bag, and it is small, as you guys can see. Okay, so the next bag that I have from Teddy Blake is the it's the Cara SAFIANO dark beige bag. The size is 9 inches. It is very cute. Look at that. It comes with a strap as well. It is adjustable. However, it's still too long on me, even if I adjust it to the shortest length. I haven't used this yet. I just got this end of last week. If you're taller than me, I'm pretty sure like the strap will not be an issue. But it is for me because that's just my life. Wearing it crossbody is fine. It's not like too long, but I cannot wear it as a shoulder bag like this because it's just way too low. It stops way too low on me. So close up of the bag, it has the silver hardware, so the zipper is silver as well. It is very tiny, which makes it really cute. It has one compartment here. Oh no, actually 2 compartments. So the other zippered compartment is right here, and it has the Teddy Blake leather, stamped leather inside there. So it has the silver feet right there. Alright, another new bag that I have from Teddy Blake is this one right here, you guys. It's red. It's actually under the wallets and accessories category. So I'm thinking it is a wallet on chain bag. And it has that beautiful chain in silver, as you guys can see. So I got this one in red, and the Teddy Blake stamp is right there, Teddy Blake, New York. And this also I have not used yet because I just got it end of last week. Anyway, this is called the Nappa 7 inches wallet on chain. I'm not sure if this is like a wallet on chain, but I'm thinking it is because again, it's under the accessories category. So you open it like so. The compartment looks like that, so it's kind of like an accordion style. It has 2 small compartments in the inside, so we have that, and then 1 zippered compartment, and then the Teddy Blake logo is there. Now, this one crossbody, again, is a bit long on me. I prefer like wallet on chains or like small bags to stop just right here on me. But this one is too long, obviously. I'm not sure if I can do something with the chain to adjust it to like fit me like this. But you can also wear it like so. And I think I'm gonna wear it like this when I use it because it's just like, you know, perfect for my height. So the stitching looks like so. It is a soft leather, so I can see that it can easily like crease, and I can see some nail marks, so like, you know, indentation, dent from my nails. Moving on to my favorite, like my favorite piece from Teddy Blake. It's actually the bag that I have been using non-stop. If you guys have been watching my vlogs, you know which bag I'm talking about. It is this one right here. It is their bucket bag. This is the Eliza suede, 9 inches. Orange is the color, obviously. It looks like that. I love using this bag. I love like easy access bag. Before I ordered this, I was thinking suede is gonna be such a high maintenance material, but it's not. Like, I use this all the time. I don't baby my bags at all. I spilled coffee here the first time I used the bag. I'm not sure if you can see that. I did not get it cleaned whatsoever. When I spilled the coffee, I just wiped it with a napkin and that's it. That's all I did. But you can barely see the stain. Like, it looks like nothing happened to the bag. And again, I use it all the time, you guys. I have my stuff in here. It has that leather piece there that you just tie if you want to close the bag. As you guys know, I vlog all the time, so I put my camera here. It's so easy for me to just grab my camera from my bag. It fits a lot as well. Like, it fits so much. I have a lot of stuff in here. I have some paint samples. I have my big ass wallet, more paint samples, my sunglasses case, my sunglasses, my key holder, hand cream. And even with that, I still can fit my camera and more in there. It is also a perfect summer bag for me. I love the bucket style. I love that it's small, but it fits so much. I also really like the gold hardware. I think it goes really well with the orange. Let's check out the bottom actually. Oh, okay. So that's where you can see some marks. Because again, I don't baby my bags. I put them anywhere. When we're eating in a restaurant, I just put it on the floor. So usually I just wear it like this, but you can also wear it crossbody depending upon how tall you are. The strap, by the way, is adjustable. So this is not the shortest you can get. I still can make it shorter by adjusting the strap to here. But you guys get an idea that it can be longer if you wish to. Also, it comes with this like shoulder pad, I call it. And it is very comfortable on the shoulder. I really don't have any problems with this bag. I won't be using it all the time if like I don't like it. I really like it. Yeah, so that's the last bag. Now onto the accessories, guys. So I have 3 accessories right here. I'm gonna start with their wallet. This is their TB zip wallet. I got this in orange again. I usually go for the basic colors like gray, brown, black, but I really like my orange suede bag, so I decided to get the orange wallet and see if I will like it just as much as I like this suede one. I have not used this yet. As you guys can see, that one is still wrapped up. The hardware is silver. There's a lot of card slots there. It's not a stiff leather as well, which I like for wallets. So it's easier for you to access your cards, because if it's really stiff, it's gonna be hard taking out and putting back your cards, you know what I mean? So yeah, that. And then it also comes with another zippered compartment in the middle where you can put your loose coins and whatever you want to put in there. So it says it's made in Italy. It's kind of like grainy, so I feel like it's not gonna be as high maintenance as like the soft shiny leather, you know. So next one is the TB card holder. Now, this time, I got it in pink. I just want to see what the other colors look like. I'm looking at the website right now, and this is originally $125. It is now on sale for only $85. So, under $100, and you get like a leather card holder, which is good. So, again, it is a soft leather. So, very easy to like open. It's not stiff, so it's perfect. And it has 2 card slots on both sides. So it says there it's made in Italy, and you see the Teddy Blake stamp there, Teddy Blake, New York. I like card holders. I think it's very handy, especially when you're traveling, especially when I travel overseas. I don't like bringing like my big wallet because I won't be needing my driver's license there, you know what I mean? So I will only need limited stuff. And when you travel, you explore, like, you know, you don't really want to carry a lot of stuff in your bag. So I'm a big fan of card holders, and this I think will be my card holder for Japan. It is a very nice baby pink color, and I just like how soft it is. It is really soft, guys. Alright, last one in this video is the Teddy Silk bag tie, you guys. So yes, they sell bag ties now. So I got it in yellow and blue. They have more colors to choose from. Check the website if you're interested. It will accessorize your bag. If you're into bag ties, they have it for less than $100, guys. And it is 100% silk. It says here it's 100% silk. I love the color combination of this one. And that is it, you guys. Again, if you're purchasing from Teddy Blake, do not forget to use my code to get $20 off. I will also leave the links of each item in the description box if you guys are interested. But that is basically it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Be good. Bye. Mwah.